Hi, welcome to the roller coaster game. In this game, we're going to use mathematical equations to build roller coasters. The first thing you will need to do is enter any player and group ID. Often, your instructor will give you a group ID so that you can compare your coasters to everyone else in your class. In this game, your goal is to create a coaster with the most vertical distance traveled. In other words, a coaster that will go up and down as much as possible. For level 1, we have a few rules. You can enter 1 to 3 equations. You must start at the point x equals 0, y equals 0, and you must end at x equals 50. You can't make your roller coaster more than 500 feet tall. You can't build your roller coaster underground. Finally, as your score is calculated, going up the first hill doesn't count towards your total vertical distance. So let's try entering our first equation. For example, y equals 2 plus 3x. So by keeping the coefficient of x squared to be 0, we have a straight line that begins at x equals 0, y equals 2. In order to start at the origin, we must have y equals 0 when x equals 0. Here we've created a linear equation. But this isn't a very interesting roller coaster if you're only going up a hill. So let's try modifying these equations so our roller coaster will actually go up and down. Okay, so this roller coaster would go up and down. However, at this point, x equals 25, the curve is not smooth, and it would be a rough ride. So we're not able to build our roller coaster quite yet. So let's start over and try a quadratic equation. We have a smooth curve, but it doesn't start at the origin, 0, 0, and again, it's only going up. We fixed the first issue. It does start at the origin, but it looks like we'll also have to fix the quadratic coefficient. While our roller coaster is going the right direction, the coefficient still needs to be adjusted so the roller coaster doesn't go down quite as much. By adjusting the quadratic coefficient, we now have a working roller coaster. And we receive a score of 25 because the roller coaster went downhill 25 feet. But a 25-foot roller coaster isn't that exciting. What other quadratic equations could we try that would make a more exciting roller coaster? Using just one equation, see if you can get a higher score. Good luck and have fun.